Wait a minute. I get a shot?
Yes.
Because I'm going to happy hour?
And then, after you do get a happy hour, we're going to go back to the doctor, and you're going to get a lollipop and a sticker.
I think I'd rather just get a shot at happy hour, not the doctor. I don't want a doctor shot. I want a happy hour shot. That's much better.
Okay.
Can I get one of those
We're at
instead?
the happy hour. She gave you a shot.
I love shots. Yum!
Now, here's the lollipop. I'm going to open it for you.
Oh.
Now, here's the sticker.
Can I put the sticker on the worm bin?
Yes, when you get home.
Oh, Bryn, stop picking up trash.
Okay. Let me
No,
throw
no,
it.
yeah. Throw
Let
it
me
in the
throw
trash.
it away.
Thank you. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, we were driving too.
Bye-bye. Happy hour shot coming back. Happy hour shot coming back.
Here comes Bryn.
Happy hour shot coming back.
Wow. You guys are all revved up today. Cheese.
Cheese.
Hey.